Amma Bag. Respected judges, esteemed guests, and my honorable audience, a warm welcome to this remarkable event known as Karnataka Cultural Foundation Pratibhotsava. And today I have come before you to talk about Karnataka Cultural Foundation and its achievements. What is Karnataka Cultural Foundation? You may all ask. Karnataka Cultural Foundation was first established in 2013 under the guidance of Sultanul Ulama A.P. Ustad and Mahum Bekal Ustad. KCF is a cultural and charitable organization whose main goal is to uplift the communities through welfare, education and development initiatives. With over 10,000 members globally, KCF works tirelessly to promote social welfare, religious education and cultural preservation. Although KCF is a Muslim organization, its main goal is not within religion. Its main goal is beyond religious boundaries, supporting individuals and communities of all faiths with an emphasis on inclusivity and unity. This is KCF. Divisions and responsibilities. Karnataka Cultural Foundation is established through 7 main divisions, each playing a vital role in its mission. What are these divisions, you may ask? Number 1, Welfare Division, Ihsan Division, Professional Wing, Knowledge Division, Organization Division, Publication Division and Administrative Division. Welfare Division. The Welfare Division provides humanitarian aid, financial support and resources to those who are in need. It is basically the heart of Karnataka Cultural Foundation. Emergency relief during crises such as crisis of pandemics or etc. Supporting funeral arrangements and functioning of Karnataka Cultural Foundation. Establishing housing and education support for underprivileged through Darul Aman. Providing ambulance services and medical treatments for the underprivileged. Operating charity boxes and coordinating food distribution drives globally. This is the goal of the Welfare Division, which is also the heart of Karnataka Cultural Foundation. As you can see, this is a great representation of Karnataka Cultural Foundation's Welfare Division, helping the poor, underprivileged and spreading kindness. Ihsan Initiative. What is Ihsan Initiative? You may all ask. The Ihsan Initiative focuses on developing infrastructure and promoting educational revolution in North Karnataka. Building madrasas, mohalla centers, schools, etc. Organizing welfare and cultural events such as Ihsan Utsava. Supporting religious scholars by ustads by providing them with vehicles and resources. Executing landmark projects like Markazul Islamia and initiating community development through wells, homes and public amenities. As you can see, a great example of Ihsan's initiative, teaching young children about the Quran, Tajweed and etc. Knowledge Division. The Knowledge Division is also the second heart of Karnataka Cultural Foundation. It's mainly dedicated to promoting religious education and spiritual growth, teaching Quranic recitation with tajweed and spreading knowledge of hadith, hosting spiritual gatherings like Salat Majlis, Maulud and Iftar meals, overseeing establishment and functioning of schools, organizing awareness campaigns to promote religious literacy. As you can see, a great example of Karnataka Cultural Foundation. Organization Division, responsible for planning, execution and coordination of all KCF programs. Planning charitable initiative, donation drives and fundraising campaigns. Coordinating events like blood donation drives and cultural celebrations. Ensuring smooth operation and efficient resource allocation for ongoing projects. Managing logistics for welfare activities. These are all the things that Organization Division provides. As you can see, a great example of the KCF Blood Saibo, blood donation camp. Publication Division. The Publication Division operates Jalf Ishara, a Kannada language publication company outside India for over 10 years, publishing books and educational material to cater Kannada-speaking communities, distributing over 3,000 copies of Ishara in the UAE, promoting KCF's mission and vision through written content. Ishara is a great example of how a division should be. As you can see, the latest Gulf Ishara. Administrative Division. This division is also known as the Admin Division, responsible for managing and coordinating documents and KCF's activities, supervising and streamlining the activities of all divisions, monitoring the implementation of projects and events, facilitating communication between divisions to enhance collaborations, managing budgets and resources efficiently. Professional Wing. Engaging skilled professionals to enhance KSF's initiatives, or basically the recruitment department of Karnataka Culture Foundation, recruiting doctors, engineers, teachers and other professionals, managing medical support during medical camps and emergencies, supporting educational programs through qualified teachers and academic advisors, utilizing professional expertise to design sustainable community development projects. Pratibhotsava and Family Fest. Finally, we have come to our last topic. An annual program which showcases different talents among the GCC children residing in the GCC countries. KSF has been the first organization in Karnataka to promote Pratibhotsava, an event in which children from various ages showcase their talent in various events. Cooking and other competitions are held also for women too, providing equality in KSF. Achievements and vision. KSF achievements span across several areas. They provide blood donation drives, job placements and beach cleaning campaigns through their community services. They provide construction of homes, launching education initiatives and distributing food to the underprivileged. In the education and welfare sector, global outreach. KSF is not just a place in UAE. It has been expanded to countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, the United Kingdom, Egypt, London, Malaysia and Iraq, providing support to communities worldwide. As you can see, a great example of Pratibhotsava 2025, which I am currently in. With this, I would kindly like to conclude. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.